everyone, it's the Summer Salad series. So come with me and taste summer the Italian way. Hey everyone, Founder's Daughter here. And on today's segment of our new Summer Salad series, I have a favorite of mine that my father used to make all the time. And we used to love to eat it when we were kids. And it's orange and fennel salad. We haven't made it in so long. And I was at a friend's house a couple years ago and she had made it. And I thought, oh my God, my dad used to make that all the time. So it is a great summer recipe that's super easy. So let me show you how to do it. You only need 4 ingredients with the vinaigrette. So you just take your oranges and you peel them and then cut them in, circular size shapes. You're gonna keep your orange peels. And the reason why you're gonna keep your orange peels is because we make the vinaigrette dressing with it. Or if you feel you don't wanna squeeze the orange peels, you can just use orange juice. But I always just kept the peels. You just arrange it like that so beautifully. Keep those pieces to the side. You take your fennel, and oh, I love fennel. It's such an amazing, it's like black licorice herb, black licorice root. This is my brother's favorite too. He still loves it. Just put some fennel on the top, pine nuts, and if you want, you can take your pine nuts and you can toast them if you like them toasted. You just sprinkle those right on top. And the salad looks so elevated, like gourmet, kind of like cookbook stuff, right? And I like to keep these little fronds on the end of the bulb, because what that does is it gives us that little bit of color on top, like we use parsley and basil for. Just gives it that little bit of color. You just take that and you just sprinkle it right on the top. Look how beautiful and fresh. I mean, so Sicilian looking, right? Then we have the vinaigrette dressing here. We're just going to put that on top. And the vinaigrette dressing has vinegar, it has honey, it has olive oil, and it's linked right above. You can make the dressing yourself. And this is good if it just sits for a little while and marinates. Look how good that looks. Oh, so good. Then we're going to take a little bit of our Nino Salvaggio pepper. We have a full line of herbs. And two, don't forget to check out our website, ninosalvaggios.com. And we just celebrated, about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, our 51,000, well, now we're at 51,000 followers. So thanks to you, we're just growing in numbers. And go to ninosalvaggios.com, check out everything that's new, all of our recipes, not only my recipes, but our chefs of our store's recipes, our amazing gift baskets, your gourmet to go, your fresh rewards is all on there. And of course, your weekly specials. So you should put a little bit of pepper on here. Sometimes I don't trust these holes. They tend to be a little big. And then I don't like so much pepper on that. But look at that. Done. Look how beautiful that is. All right, let's make our second part to our summer salad series. Today I'm going to make an Aperol Spritz. And it's very common. Everybody drinks them in the summer. But in Italy, they make it one special way that we don't get it here in America when I order it. So I'm going to make it for you. Super simple. This is such a great combination for the boat, or you're going to a party, or you're having people over your house. So like I said, I don't measure it, but we do have the recipe posted. And all you do is you add Aperol. Get some Aperol. You get some Prosecco, whatever Prosecco you like to use. Ooh, look how good that looks. Nice and bubbly. Of course, a little soda water to finish it. Hear the bubbles. It just reminds you of summer and the boat. Love it. And an orange, which is pretty normal, but basil. In Italy, they put basil in it. And I never get it like that here. And when you have your herbs, you need to kind of crack them just to bring them alive, to get that good taste, the basil flavor into your spritz, and give it a little stir. Look at that. Is that beautiful? Oh my God, I love it. It makes you want to just drink it all. So good. So come taste summer the Italian way.